tie for mamuni akwaba about Melodies podcast. Yes, first time we have subscribe and click the notification bell on so my yes, your first time you say my subscribe and click the notification bell on so. Na make sure say I will be no e screen so. Yeah, ebe mu eka so mu hu and that screen so sisi ano. We are no we mi bell on so. We mi bell on so questions be baba. Say open notifications and now I click yes to all. So click all na breaking news to say we are ba on Sabekan. Na breaking news ne say yenim Anochi Supremo. So who name see friend Anochi Supremo na we are sure say name say your friend Daddy Lumba Jr. Now Daddy Lumba Jr. we no oyobia osha ose Daddy Lumba pa ne voice ne yebie make a first time I say ne voice me who say all performing will stay na me say Daddy Lumba ba he say offer edino Daddy Lumba Jr. Inti na to Daddy Lumba njom e will stay inti na me say Daddy Lumba ba later na me be who say Daddy Lumba e de ne akokot say akano eye Daddy Lumba Jr. no eye Daddy Lumba Jr. no o to Daddy Lumba njom ne te say Daddy Lumba pepe nti say event organizers omo organization no say mmekwa akofa Daddy Lumba na Daddy Lumba be bo show amomo no mmekwa akofa saa abranche we na kire say omo echi aska ketwa onzo mkofa Daddy Lumba e bia ska no betu aneso but abranche we nso betumi abo ejuma ne pepe te say Daddy Lumba nso mmekwa akofa abranche we na kire say omo echi aska ketwa e bia ma no so obeye ejuma ne pepe te say Daddy Lumba we say the voice the performance watena sepa na wa hye de sia Daddy Lumba te so say Daddy Lumba kra wa boniti to say Daddy Lumba na eno mu na obeye popular nti Daddy Lumba yes ordinary course ne nyama eno ko obi nim ho obi nim ko bom pan man ne nyama nti me ma background to the story no na nsinya na breaking news about Kofi TV na report here say Daddy Lumba Jr. Neni Efra na wo hwe ya neni no ahono na ye poche na de esi de say yesi wenya yawe bi ewo na adwen mu ti yawe na wona adwen mu no na epia neni no ti video ne ba na neni na ye poche na onhu ade afi say na adwen no epia neni no nti etiefo na eme adeketo a o hwa obeso ama branch ya nti na neni na kata na say last week or last 2 weeks ana Kofi TV ya breaking news about say sisi ade Daddy Lumba Jr. onhu ade kra na ohiamwa na che say sika doctor say omo de be an operation no sika no hwa ontumi nya nti o si osre ohiamwa na oba Kofi TV or some platforms so and the dust interview no che say nkofo bebre interview no na asem ye mo bonti nkofo bebre ama no ne Ghana for wa ama no ne ene Ghana hania etiaska na che say sisi a ye danya me asese ska na aso ena sisi a ye say wenya doctor bi wo eye India eye doctor no o say obetumi ayama ne sisi a ska no mo abo no asempa aba ne say Daddy Lumba Jr. oko India na che say wakosa ne ho yare ne ebomba say bibia be koso successfully ebomba say obekwa aba na che say yare no ko na neni no so bibia aba back to normal na ohwe video na me hwe video no come to me an hwe ohwe video no a etiefo obeso ama brantia no na ya papa na ya na enye nti no me read the article we are ya de buy na article we call say high life musician Anochi Supremo aka Daddy Lumba Jr. has been suffering from a tumor in his head that has blurred his vision. Ti na make no na tre say ye ka say tumor ye ye van say adibia enye say e kan nipa ho enyi e woni nipa ho what you say ti na tre say e fifi obi be ka say ade ne fifi woni nipa ho nti na adwen no ade bi fifi wona adwen mu etiefo nya easy o wa adwen pa na ade bi fifi wona adwen mu a ade na fifi wona adwen no so epia nani nti na ema nani no efrae Now, me continue article now say according to him, he cannot see with his left eye. Inti aba first no say ne ni eye benkum no untumi fe hu ade. But last week or last 2 weeks oba Kofi TV na fe ne ni tu ni ni ane hu ade. Now, story in it as I say, he told citynewsroom.com in an interview that the whole thing started about a couple of months ago when he experienced severe headache. Nti ono de se ne oka no se ono de na niti owo ho keke na niti ye ne ya ono so de onim se etiyare so de on se Ghana de yen fa ne serious ida se okoda ana ye be ma opara on fa nko hospital bia na wa fedra etiyare nkoda se na yare benkwe ni na ma fedra yare nkoda na chese okohwehwe mu afi ohwe ya neni enhu no ose eti yare we de serious or the call hospital ya trying to say or yeah test to tia ne sika ne answer ne trying to say adi we na ye na article no continue say it started in October and I thought it was migraine. Well, migraine yeah sa eti yare na che say utitu me pai was migraine ya keto a uti be pai was be eti yare. Into no visa ya enubi. No, say I went to the hospital and was told I had a tumor in my head, which has caused an enlargement in my left eye. To your hospital, they say just a BBA fifi ewo ni trimu na eno na ma nini no aye potwe nini no ahono no. Na to aso I say at the moment he is going for an MRI test. But according to him, he has been told by his doctors it will take him about 10,000 Ghana cedis to have a surgery done on the tumor. Soon after this disclosure, he was again interviewed on Kofi TV, where plea was sent to the general public to come to his aid. It was say first no doctor ne say some test bi na test ne keke no 10,000 cedis, which is old 100 million. Inti no we nyaska 10,000 we nya inti no Kofi TV na Kofi TV try say one ne nkrofo kasa ya omo donate ema no na story no etiaso. Soon after this disclosure, he was again interviewed on Kofi TV when okay makeka hold that na esanso ko as it stands, Supremo was able to raise the money and he has even flown over to India where the operation would be taking place. Into the can say sisia ye ka say sikano nyamia do monyabi and as sisia so wo India trese operation no ebekoso anesa. Into no eto saying speaking to Kofi TV again, Supremo said he feels better now, not because of the medicine he has been taking, but because of the love Ghanaians have shown him. Just say, Sisia de ne ho atono na enye se edro na offer na ma ne ho atono, but odona Ghana for atreno no ama adwendwen fini so say nti miampa na Ghana for atrem me odo say ti ama ne ho kra atono. Now story net to us say he noted that sometimes one can get healed by virtue of the love he's shown while on the sick bed. Or say nipa de eto de bia enye se edru oyare enye se edru kra na ebe ma ho ato eto de bia odo nkrofo a eben wa na omomu ni mu kra omutumi cheo no so oyare dampemu a omomu ni mu kra odo omu betumi a cheo no eno no ebetumi ama ho kra ato na eno bi na aye no but operation dey so okoye na ne ho ato no if say Ghana for atre no odo na it also saying he used the opportunity to thank Ghanaians at large for their support. Inti no just say Ghana for oda obi bia ase say mo ya do na me kra no me hu de Ghana for ya no me ni agiye pa just say me ni agiye fi say Ghana for be dodo na enim no Daddy Lumba sem ne buy crankrofo ekoka se oh Daddy Lumba de oye yenye no kra no eka se Daddy Lumba court na ode ne kono onu Supremo no ntiase fi se onu de oye bi okache Daddy Lumba se meti se o metonjum te se Daddy Lumba na ehun no ne video Daddy Lumba se ende ma fa se meba no kache Daddy Lumba se obisa ne se oh pacho metumi ato onwom ewo baby and Daddy Lumba se oh no problem koswa na ye na ne wanwa se obi Daddy Lumba ka sa che ne no ono afi Daddy Lumba de na kokot na o share Daddy Lumba na yo no ane papa na ene ya pa na we asema ode aba cheso dagana fo ase se Ghana fa train odo one Daddy Luma nya asem ni nia nkrofo train odo na te se wo hwe a we na ngasa naturally won se nkrofo bi wo ha naturally no ope omo asem nti DL Junior ono naturally na ngasa nkrofo epe na asem nti no sisi a o se ye friend Anochi Supremo Mr. Trewadwen wo comment box ni mo na share video we mai na like video nenso ya da ase